Hello everyone, welcome back to Creative Tutorials. This is our second video in this series on building an e-commerce website with reactjs. In the first part, we set up the header with navigation links, icons and top slider banner using swiper.js library. Today, we will keep things simple and build an image category grid. This grid will be a part of our home component and will show different product categories. It is a great way for customer to easily browse through our products. We will also add some basic styling to make it look nice. So let's get started and build this together. Creating the image category grid, we will add this grid right inside our home component just below the top slider banner we created with swiper.js. So let's code the structure of the grid. After setting up the grid, we will add some simple CSS style to our home.css file to make it look neat and organized. Remember, we have already imported the home.css file to our home.jsx. Now, we will just add some simple CSS code to style our grid. This will make our category stand out and look appealing to our user. Let's code the CSS to make our category grid look attractive and user-friendly.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, da-da-da.
Okay, here you can see our image category grade is completed and it also looks good. Here user can browse any of their product by just clicking in these grade images.